Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Ruiyok Hair. They sent me their 100% handmade high quality synthetic fiber dreadlock extension. This dreadlocks came with a crochet hook which you saw in the previous video. Each bundle has about 10 pieces of dreadlocks and they sent me 4 bundles which is about 40 pieces and it's in 24 inches. This is what the ends look like. In as much as it's a synthetic dreadlocks, it's lightweight and giving natural vibes. The loop of the locks are secured with rubber bands, so before you install it, ensure you cut them all off. And this is what it should look like before you install them. Here I'm trying to show you all how soft the hair really is. Just in case you order yours and it comes bent, you can stretch them by blowing hot air from a hair dryer. I'm gonna style my hair in a way that the 40 pieces of dreadlocks will be enough without my hair looking funny. And I'm gonna be honest with you all. If you want to place an order for these locks, go from about 6 to 8 bundles, which is about 60 to 80 dreadlocks if you really want a full head of locks. So I'm gonna let you watch how I style my hair, then I'm come back and give you all my final review on this dreadlocks extension. I'm almost done installing these dreadlocks, and all I can say is that it's really lightweight, it feels natural, no itching at all, and it can be easy to maintain. All the information and purchase link is in my description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Purr.